In this video, we'll show you how to make a FiveM server. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. In FiveM, instead of joining public server, you can create your own server and invite your friend to play together. So first, go to this website right here. I'll put the link in the description. And what you need to do is download the latest version on the top here. It might be different for you. Just click the one on the top and it should start downloading. After you have the zip files, open it up and extract it somewhere. Here, I'll make a new folder and extract everything. Now inside the folder, look for FX server exe and open it up. It'll open up CMD and redirect you here on your browser, and you'll have the pin filled automatically. But if not, you can find the pin here on CMD, hit link account and then hit continue and log into your CFX account. And here you can set the name of your server and click next. For deployment type, select popular recipes, hit next, and then select default FiveM, hit next again. And here you don't need to change anything, just hit next. And after all of that, hit go to recipe deployer. In here, click next. You'll need to put your license key or registration key. If you don't have one, you can click here on CFX RE portal and read through the license and agreement and click agree. Hit generate key right here. You can enter your display name. You can put anything here and click generate. You have your license key. To copy it, just click this icon right here and go back to recipe deployer and paste it here. Now hit run recipe and it'll load up the recipe and create your server configuration. After that, hit next. You'll see your server configuration. Here you can change your server name, description, and etc. For now, I'm not going to change anything. Just click save and run server. Now you can open FiveM. If everything is done correctly, you'll see a button to connect through LAN below the play button. You can click that, or you can press F8 and then type connect localhost and press enter. You'll download the necessary files to join your server and you should spawn inside your server. Now let's close the game and go back to FiveM. You'll see your server on the last connected server tab. You can click that, and then to invite your friends to join, you can copy the link right here.